What? I turned 27 today. These are things that I wish that everybody knew before turning 27. If they just knew this thing, I promise you, it would honestly probably change the aspect of their lives. Let's get into it. See, lesson number one is that it doesn't matter what you do. You can do so many different things in life. But the number one thing, bro, that I wish someone just would have told me is, man, you got to get started. It doesn't matter if you fix bikes for a living, you make signs, you detail cars. It never matters, but you got to get into the field that you want just to realize if you like it or not, man. Something I wish I would have known. Life lesson number two. As a 27-year-old, bro, I've had like 30 jobs. Yes, I get always the same reaction. What the heck? But it's perfectly okay to start over. Your 20s is about just doing a deep dive of, do I like this? Do I like this? Am I good at this? I'm actually horrible at that. What do I do with my life? Truthfully, you have a couple paths. Really start a business, but you honestly need experience. Number two, go to college. Number three, go to military. Number four, get a 9-to-5. It's okay to explore your interests. You're gonna make mistakes on the way, and honestly, it's gonna be hard, bro. No one ever tells you that, but 20s is fucking hard. But it's amazing because you get to make the most of it. You get to build your character and just get started, bro. Now that we got number two out the way, guys, I got these two things free for my birthday. Number one, Golden Eagle. Let's give it a sip. It tastes like milk, sugar, and caramel. Good? Too much sugar for me, though. Let's try the second one. Let's see, this one's for Courtney.
This one is a fan fave.
This is her favorite. Let's try it out. I can't really give this a great review because I just tried the most sugariest drink ever. I think this tastes like green grass. Let's hit up the next spot and talk about number three. And bro, if you're liking what I'm saying, hit that freaking subscribe button. What are you doing? This is all free content for you, and you're gonna be leveling the fuck up. What's cool about this is that my birthday has literally gone perfect. Hopefully it stays like that in Jesus Christ's name, but bro, these tickets were like $250 each, bro. And then, you know, if you bring your girl out here, she needs food out here and drinks. And best way, find a concert where you could just watch the stage. See y'all. Hopefully y'all like the rest of the video. And if you do, throw that thumbs up.
And hit that subscribe button.
Let's play a game.
I don't know how it's so rude.
I'm chilling, they play the best song, and then my family pulls up. Drove all the way out here. That is fucking live, dog. They would have been out here a little bit earlier, but they said that they had trouble parking. Anyway, that's a great way to fucking end this concert, bro. Check this out, and I'll meet you guys at the crib. Well, the fam had to park far as hell. The concert is obviously over. Halsey was cool in person. Khalid was cool in person. I couldn't come up with a better birthday, especially this surprise. And can we finally talk about number three? Yes, I'm finally gonna tell you about number three. And you don't wanna miss this. This is the most important thing, bro. Yeah, how's your birthday going? And now we're at Home Slice.
My number one spot.
Look, I know my mom's making a difficult order. Oh yeah, Breezy, you ready for some pizza, boy?
Some peasy.
Let's get it. I still got your beef jerky.
Slice. What kind you want? No. What kind you want? That one?
Ooh, bro, if your pizza doesn't look like this, I'm actually not gonna eat this salad, but that's a great looking salad. Anyway, so number three, bro, my favorite one. Yes, I'm eating a fucking pizza right now, but whenever I was 230 pounds, I was the most self-conscious. I didn't want to be around friends. I didn't want to take pictures. I don't have pictures to this day. Maybe I have one, I'll insert it right here. But it was like the worst thing ever. Bro, stay in shape, get in shape, and just maintain whenever you're at a nice, comfortable weight. Let's try out this pizza. Damn, bro, that's good. Oh, she said bussin'.
Honestly, it's pretty good. I'm not gonna lie.
You, Courtney?
10 out of 10.
Mom, your salad? How you like it?
It's good. Greek salad.
You done? Fire? Oh, hell yeah. That is the perfect way to end the video. Remember, check out this video up next. Hit that subscribe button. If you have not hit that subscribe button, bro, what are you doing? Thank you for spending this crazy fucking birthday with me. Thank you to the family coming out. But y'all know we always end every single video, guys. I love y'all, and as always, stay fearless. We're out, baby.
Oh, well, can you... Oh, that's okay.